If you're constantly exhausted, it doesn't matter how much you sleep, if you get naps, it doesn't matter, and you just constantly feel so drained and so tired, this is NeuroGum, and this will save your life. So this is caffeinated gum. It's made with like a natural caffeine, and I swear this stuff works every time. Like, I literally use it every day because I'm just constantly tired. I've got 3 kids, 3 and under. I'm up with my newborn all night, and I just pop in one of these NeuroGums about midday, and it's like the best pick-me-up. I feel like I can focus, I feel like I have energy, and it tastes really good too.